is the mango.
Bear, out! Okay, bear, stop!
Did you chew up this pillow? Huh? Did you?
Miles, what are you doing?
Place? No! Jess.
My love for bacon will never die. I want bacon, bacon, bacon. It's
No, thank you. No.
Hey, no. Come on. Leave it. What is that? Is that $50? Yo!
You have to louder.
I get you!
It's speeding off the ground. Spit off.
Get up here. Oh, we're gonna go up the slide now. Oh, we're going down. Oh my god.
Who ate the Hawaiian rolls?
Who are you? You the good boy?
It's been a minute, but he back at it.
Yeah.
I cannot. Mama.
Does that feel good, Liza?
Get. Go. Bobby, you okay? Oh, Bobby, it's okay. You okay? I'm sorry. You okay?
Say it. Say it. Say it. You can say it.
You don't get this excited to come to my house.
Come here.
Rue.
Maybe not. It's never taken quite this long before. Oh, there we go.
I just can't help myself. I'm acting like an animal. Now here's my scandal. I want to get you home and double up.
Oh, stretch.
Lorna.
Ash, go to the dog park.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Go eat your snacks. Go eat your snacks.
What you
doing? Wanna go down? Can you go downstairs?
Endo, take my socks off. Bring here.
No. No. No.
You look just like your mama. Oh, mama. Woof.
Not there, sorry.
So this is why boxers are my favorite breed. They always have this look on their face like they owe you money, and it really...
Benji. Benji. Hey.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
Quit! Get away from me. We're not friends anymore.
Oh, shit. No.
I'm using the bathroom.
Oh, shit. Maple!
Tell your mom, okay? Don't tell her.
I love you.
What is this? You're a fucking escape artist.
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.
Do you want to go for a ride? Or how about let's go take a bath?
Hi, Ralphie.
We get a smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese.
High five. Too slow. Someone's mad because you don't know how to go down the stairs.
Can I get a? Oh yeah!